Having supplied thousands of machines to industry, the Engineering Technology Group can help you cut, bend, punch, mill, spark, grind, turn, and automate any component you require. If you're looking to buy a high-end lathe, then make sure you're considering a Nakamura-Tome. Durma and VLB for your press brake, laser, pipe bending and fabrication needs. For EDM and spark erosion, there's always Mitsubishi Electric and OPS. If you're looking for a 5-axis automated machine, then there's always AXILE, Quasar and Chiron. ETG have the portfolio and engineering expertise to help you maintain your competitive edge.